So we just wrapped up the Mandeville leg of our Valvoline Drag Rivals Road Tour. As you know, we're just out here meeting the people, talking. You know, so I don't want to hijack the interview, but the other night I talked to Jason, you see, and Jason said if Williams or anybody broke the all-wheel drive car, they might bring back the black car by November.
Yeah?
And if none of we broke the front-wheel drive record,
they might bring back
the blue one.
We're seeing that Vernam.
Come Vernam all the way, but this is a car. Don't put it in there. As much as it's a gearbox 5 forward.
Sure.
No.
Sure.
No, this car never run left me.
We're there in the city of Mandeville, and the food boss is here, Kyron himself.
Big up.
So Kyron, I mean, drag rivals like what? Less than 2 weeks away. We didn't see at the last meet.
Yeah, it was busy.
Yeah. I mean, how things looking for this meet?
Looking good. Make some minor changes to the car. Hopefully we'll stay in nines. Hopefully, okay. That's the aim. But I mean, if Wayland car come out, me just do a full send pass and just run a 8.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I'm a friend still.
So there's a thing between you and Wayland, I never know.
No, man, I'm Wayland and Bridget, man. I said I go wheel spin past it. But I couldn't catch him with the MR2. Yeah, I know same gone another camp now and
yeah,
car's
okay.
expected to be very fast.
Okay,
Yeah, man,
okay.
Definitely.
Well, I mean, I know your car is nothing short of an 8-second car,
no.
right? But is it that you're not ready to go that territory as yet?
All right, let me be honest. To go 8 front wheel drive here, it is not easy.
Right.
I mean, you can break a lot of things. When the car chucked a rod at the last meet, the car was on full send. Right, I had like 65 pounds in the back end and the car broke a rod at second gear. But anyway, that's another story.
Yeah.
So I think to be comfortable, I mean, just stay in 9-second class and just enjoy the car.
And enjoy it.
You understand? Maybe after the year done, we can say, all right, we just do a full send pass and see how that goes. The race to 8 is there. I mean, Grizzly is there, Kish is there.
True.
I am dear.
No, we can't let out Kentley still now. We know he's there. But I want to pass with him too, but you know, like I'm afraid of it. But anyways, yeah, so the race to 8 is there. So,
Yeah.
I mean, we want to have more local cars running the times and we can maybe hopefully remove Island Boys record and put them in one corner around there. So, yeah, that's what I say. Big up Jamie, big up Jason, big up the whole of the march them.
Definitely. But I mean, I have to tell you, bro, the car very impressive. The first time out, I can see that you never spare any expense on that bill. You understand?
You know, so I don't want to hijack the interview, but the other night I talked to Jason, you see, and Jason said if Williams or anybody broke the all-wheel drive car, they might bring back the black car by November.
Yeah?
And if none of we broke the front-wheel drive record,
They might bring back
the blue one.
All right.
So might as well just run it.
Might as well we just run.
Yeah, man.
All right. Well, a good vibes that, but I guess you'll play it by ear, Kyron.
Yeah.
All right.
Nines, we just go and run in 9-second class and then we see what happens. But if it happens, it happens.
Yeah.
Because I have the tune-ups for 8s, I have the tune-ups for 9s. Okay, we're going to run 10-second class with it.
Right.
That's why I feel comfortable with it.
Definitely.
But 9s it is.
All right. Well, we look forward to seeing you in 2 weeks or less. Drag Rivals.
Definitely.
All right. Big up, Kyron.
I'll be at the test on 2. just to dial in some stuff and I make some minor changes to some gear ratios and stuff.
Okay.
Because I realized that after the 1.8, the car has so much power, it's a little bit difficult to basically maintain traction. So I just playing around with some numbers.
Let me jump in on that again. So Uncle Willie just called me since week and sponsor with 50 more gallon of track bite so that we're gonna have wicked prep all the way to the very finished line of the track. Yeah, so we have 50 more gallon.
Alright, that sounds
a 70 gallon that we have already.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So prep I got different this time out here.
Yeah man, that sounds good.
Alright.
Well, let me see what happened.
Make we see.
All stars align.
There you go.
Yes.
Alright, Kyron,
Yeah,
big
man,
up.
big up yourself.
Our next stop will be in St. Elizabeth Top Hill at Island Auto next week Thursday, the 31st of July, which is also their grand opening. So we will bring the Valvoline team, the 876 Streets team, the whole Kenty Racing, and everybody will be out in our numbers to support that grand opening, as well as the St. Elizabeth leg of the Valvoline Drag Rivals Road Tour.
And after St. Elizabeth this Thursday, where will be the final stop?
The final stop will be in Portmore, and that is on Saturday, the 2nd of August, at the Automotive Art at Mega Mart Complex in Portmore.
Alright.
Next week, Saturday,
Alright.
Mega Mart Portmore, we will have the final stop of the Valvoline Drag Rivals Road Tour.
We can't wait to see you at the Valvoline Drag Rivals Fast Fest at Burnham Field on August 9th to 10th. See you there.